Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 14,200 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. Right? Road to 15k, let's go. So today we're actually heading to the Harbour area to check out a brand new housing scheme. I won't tell you which one. So time mark this or timestamp this and let me know down in the comment section below if you know what housing scheme that is brand new that's out by the Harbour area that I'm going to check out today before I actually tell you which one I'm going to. But it is a housing scheme that everybody, I'll give you a hint, a lot of persons were trying to get a house from. I think Wiccan built them if I'm not mistaken. Big up to the people at Wiccan people, if you're watching, you can reach out to me to do more property tours of your new developments. Yes, my email address is linked down below, momentsbyboothe@gmail.com. Yes, so my friend actually got one over there and she's allowing me to go over there and do a property tour so you guys can see what this beautiful Wiccan housing development has to offer. Just in case you want to rent or you're looking to buy one off the market, if somebody puts theirs up for sale, you know exactly what it is that you're in for. All right. And separate and apart from that, my friend, she doesn't really know what she wants to do with hers at the moment. She's probably thinking about renting it. So if you're a realtor watching this video, reach out to me at momentsbyboothe@gmail.com so I can put you guys in touch with my friend so she can get her property rented. She doesn't even know what she's looking for as an asking price. I think she said something like $100,000. Those of you who have houses in Harbour or if you're a realtor, you can comment down below and let us know what a 2-bedroom house in Harbour is going for at present. Alright, but enough of the chattings. I know you're ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. Alright, so it is the Seascape housing development in Harbour by Wiccan, and it's supposed to be a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse. So if you got it correctly, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like. And you guys don't know my style already, I'm about to flip the camera around and give you guys a time lapse of how to get there. So Akeem out. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is a corner lot. It does come with a 2-car parking space. You have some nice windows on the outside here. You have a covering for your front door, and you have drains running at the top that takes the water down when the rain falls. So let's step on the inside and actually see what this space has to offer. So when you step in, it is a fully open concept space. You have the window right there that we're looking at, and the staircase that takes you upstairs to our left. So this area right here, I would believe would be your open concept living to this section here, and then your dining to this section here, because the kitchen is of course right there. But before we step off into the kitchen area, you do have a storage space under here, and it is a pretty sizable storage space underneath the staircase. That's always a good touch, and having a half bath downstairs as well is a pretty good touch by Wicon. Ventilation right there. It comes with a mirror. I hope you guys are loving my ensemble today. Actually, I'm coming from my goddaughter's christening. Like this video for my goddaughter being born and her being christened. So there's a lighting fixture right there. A really nice faucet right here, single vanity, and a toilet paper holder and the towel rack. So stepping back, we showcase a lighting fixture right there and a power outlet there. There's one right there, a power outlet right there, another power outlet right there, a lighting fixture right there, another one up top, and you do have this place being wired for air conditioning. Check out Carlisa Enterprises on Instagram for all your air conditioning needs. They have the Windy air conditioning units and the Accutech and Wintech fans. They have water heaters, water pumps, and a lot more appliances that you guys can check out at carlisaenterprises.com. So this sliding door leads you on the outside. Before we go outside, we're actually going to check out the kitchen area. And this kitchen, I love the white, and this does look like Korean granite countertop. Have the nice soft close functionality. There you go. So these ones in the middle, they flip up, and then these end ones open like that. This is the space for your refrigerator, and it's for a standard size refrigerator. But if you want to put a large refrigerator on the inside, you can actually probably shift this cupboard over top of this window right here, and you get more space for your refrigerator. And then this space right here, as you can see, the electrical area is right there for an electric stove. But of course, if you want to go gas stove, you can run some wiring through and carry it around the back right here to that side and have a gas cylinder on the outside. So let me just open up a few of these lower cabinetry spaces so you can see. It is a single bowl sink, but it is a very large sink. Let me throw my elbow here so you guys, so from my elbow to the tip of my finger is like halfway across. So it's a sizable, it is a sizable sink. Of course, you have drawers right here, cupboards right there, and even on this side you do have a cupboard as well, and you can put 2 bar stools here and turn this area into a breakfast counter if you would like. All right, there's a power outlet right here as well, another lighting fixture right here, and there is a lighting fixture right there, one power outlet here, another one over that corner there. And that is pretty much it for the open concept living and dining area and the kitchen. So let's just step outside real quick through these sliding doors and check out to my left, which is a designated washing area. This is a beautiful touch by Wicon. You have lighting inside, ample space for your stackable washer and dryer, and a traditional wash tub. all you need to do your laundry at your own convenience. Of course, again, this is a corner lot. If you do get to rent one of these spaces or buy one, if someone is selling, you can actually put your gas cylinder here if you don't want to use an electric stove. And then of course, what is right here is a water pump that pumps your water all the way upstairs, so you won't have any water issues living at this particular premises. There's also, every unit comes with its own designated water tank, and that's 650 gallons of additional water for your convenience. Then of course you have the drainage system that's right here, but it's not run as yet. That takes it down for the water to run out, but that will be done before you move in, for those of you who have bought properties over here. Well, yeah, and there goes the primary bedroom. You can see it from here, and the primary bathroom window right there. And your property line is right here at this red peg, and then it comes all the way across to this red indicator right there. So let me just show you what a yard space looks like in a nutshell. So from right here to out there, and then that leads over here and then back up there. So that's it for the outside. Of course, you can run a line right here and then turn this area into some form of gazebo or entertainment space if you like. Let's jump back inside and head on upstairs where the magic happens, right? So you have a really nice window fixture right here that I will showcase to you guys on the outside, and then have a dark wood staircase that leads you upstairs. Have a lighting fixture right here and a power outlet right there. And let me just show you guys your additional storage space. This can be a linen closet, and it is a sizable additional storage space or closet space. I like it a lot. Now let's move into this front bedroom, or the secondary bedroom. And the secondary bedroom comes with 2 windows, and upstairs and both downstairs has nice large tiles. I'm unaware if it is porcelain or ceramic at the moment, but if I do find out before I finish editing this video, I will let you guys know. You can look outside and see your neighbors from here. You have your lighting fixture up there. You have one power outlet there, another one right here, wired for air conditioning there, another power outlet right there. This is your closet. Let me open that up and back out so you can see it. And then you have additional storage up top for your large items, large comforters, your suitcases, so on and so forth. Whatsoever you want to do with the space, you can do with it. So that's it for your closet. Both units have their own ensuite bathrooms, which is always a nice touch. This is where the light switches are. You have this nice floating vanity that's right here, single bowl. You have this nice large mirror. Again, your lighting fixture right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, if you've watched to this far. You have your toilet paper holder, your towel rack. You have your shower tub combo that comes standard in most of these homes, and then you have a window up top for ventilation. And whilst it's not a raindrop shower head, it is a pretty nice looking shower head, if I do say so myself. And that's it for this room. Let's see if these drawers are functional, and they are, and they're pretty nice as well. I like the design of these drawers. So we're heading into the primary bedroom now. So this primary bedroom comes with 2 windows, one large one and one smaller one off to the side right here. And then you have one power outlet that's right here, another power outlet right here, your lighting fixture right there, your lighting fixture again up top, another power outlet on this side, and the switch for your air conditioning unit over there. A similar setup with a very large overhead space above the closet area. Similar closet space, or I think this one is actually a little bit bigger than the one next door or in the secondary room. So that's it for that. Let me just back into this corner and give you guys a final look of the bedroom, the primary bedroom. Boom. And let's head on into the bathroom right now. So the bathroom is pretty nicely designed. It has a floating vanity, ample storage space. This is 2, 4, 6 drawers right there, and then you have these large ones that you can store larger items. Single vanity right there, but a large mirror. You can come in the mornings and check yourself out even while you're showering. And you have the glass enclosure shower, which is pretty nice. Raised edges, and the shower slopes downwards so the water runs out. You have these fancy things right here. There we go. That's it. So you open up your window, get in your natural light, and then this is your shower head. And look, it does say rain 0.2 or rain 02, rain and massage. So it has 3 different functionalities there. And that's pretty much it. You have your towel rack, your toilet paper holder, and your toilet. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this property, guys. You can let me know what you think of this Wicon development. These townhouses, 2 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Again, if you've gotten to this point, my friend, she doesn't know what she wants to do with the house as yet, if she'd like to rent it. So if you're a realtor out there, you can reach out to me and I'll put you in touch with her. So you guys can discuss what you have to discuss and decide if you guys want to rent it or not. And if you live in the Harbourview area, you guys can comment down below what you think this particular property should be renting for. Alright, but that has been enough from me. I'll leave you guys with my quote. The goal is to live life on your own terms, and that's what I'm doing, or at least trying to do, by becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And you, yes, you can help me to do that, and all you have to do is to smash that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.